This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Chock the front wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Loosen the rear wheel lug nuts. Then jack up the rear of the car and support it on jack stands. Remove the rear wheels. Open the trunk. Then reposition the carpeting to access the shock upper mounting nuts. Remove the 2 upper shock nuts on the side only. Do not remove the nut in the center. Discard the upper mounting nuts. New ones must be used when installing. Note the direction of the shock absorber is installed before removing it. Remove the shock absorber lower mounting bolt. Then remove the shock absorber and coil spring assembly. Discard the lower mounting bolt. A new one must be used when installing. Guide the shock absorber and coil spring assembly up into the fender well and insert the upper mounting studs through the holes in the body. Once the studs protrude through the holes, connect the shock to the trailing arm and install the lower mounting bolt. The shock absorber is heavy and awkward, so get an assistant to help you, if possible. Install the shock upper mounting nuts, but delay final tightening of the nuts until the vehicle has been lowered to the ground. Raise the trailing arm with a floor jack to simulate normal ride height. Then tighten the shock absorber lower mounting bolt to the specified torque setting. Remove the floor jack from the trailing arm. Install the rear wheels and lug nuts. Lower the car to the ground and tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting. Tighten the upper mounting nuts to the specified torque setting. Reposition the carpeting in the trunk to its original position.